Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.